Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do this super cool, easy makeup look. It's going to be really fast and easy. I'm going to start off with my Gwen Stefani palette. This is the by Urban Decay. Really pretty colors. And I'm just going to go in and get Harajuku. And I'm just going to place that on my eyelids. This is going to be a super easy look. That's how it looks. And then I'm going to put on my other eyelid. And then I'm going to get Harajuku again and mix it in with a little bit of Steady, which is like this really pretty color, sparkly color. I'm going to put on my lower lash. It's just gonna brighten up my eye a little bit. Alright, now what I'm going to do is get this eyeshadow. It's called Molten Liquid Eyeshadow and it's in the color Rose Gold. And I'm just gonna get a little bit. And it's by E.l.F. I have all the products listed down below. I'm just gonna dab it on the center of my eye. Be careful not to overdo it like that. And then I'm gonna do my other eye. This is just a simple, really pretty look for like every day. Alright, now I have chapstick on my lip. I'm just gonna get it and rub it off. Just use my finger because I don't have a wipe nearby. But I suggest you use a wipe, of course. And then I'm gonna take this lip gloss by Beauty Benefits. It's like this red color. Well, it's like a pinkish red color. And I'm just gonna do like this. You'll see. That's at my lip. And press my lips together. Just a little bit more. Like that. And then I'm going to grab another lip gloss. And this one is by Warpaint Beauty. It's lip syrup. I'm just gonna apply this. Of course, any lip gloss will work. I just like using these ones. We're gonna go back to the eyes. And I'm gonna use this shimmering lip by E.l.F. This is what it looks like. It's in the color Lilac Petal. Oop, squirted way too much out. I'm gonna put some on the eye and the center again. Just add a little bit more sparkle. Of course, if you guys can't get E.l.F. where you live, just use something similar. It'll work just as well. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Alright, and now I'm going to move to cheeks. Now, a little trick that I learned when I was little, you can get lip gloss or lipstick. You probably use lipstick, but lip gloss will work. I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. This is just a little trick I learned from my mom. Get some on your finger and just tap it on your cheekbones. If you guys are wondering why my skin is extra glowy, it's because just before this video I filmed a how to get glass skin So if you haven't checked that out, please make sure you do. There you go. And now I'm gonna do my mascara. I'm gonna use the Lash Paradise. I have makeup all over my hands, sorry. Use the Lash Paradise. I don't wear falsies. I know a lot of girls wear, you know, false eyelashes. I just don't. I don't have any against them. I used to wear them. It's just, they're too hard to put on. So I don't even bother. But with this mascara, you get like really long lashes anyways. Alright. And I got a little bit of mascara on my eye makeup, so I'm just gonna wipe it off very carefully with a Q-tip. If you're wondering why this Q-tip looks weird, it's because it's a baby Q-tip for babies. Alright. And this is the look. Of course you could do your eyebrows, but I will do my eyebrows and then come back on because my eyebrows are not easy to do. But this is the look, you guys. I'll do my eyebrows and be right back. Okay, eyebrows are done. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're new, please subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, if you haven't seen how to get glowy glass skin, please check out my last video because I show you how to do it. And it's really simple, really easy. So I hope you really guys enjoyed this look. I really enjoyed doing it for you guys. It looks really pretty. I really love it. I hope you guys love it too. Alright, bye guys.